Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode, another kind of vlogish kind of thing. I just really wanted to come live, or actually just come and record this recording that I have right now, because today we want shopping again, want retail online arbitrage again. We sourced a lot of things, which is really awesome things. Actually, we hit Toys R Us, we had multiple Toys R Us. We hit multiple Walmarts and was really awesome, especially the last one. It was amazing. They had this aisle that has all kind of sales. They were really deep discounted, and we really cleaned, like basically we cleared off the whole shelves, which is really awesome. And thanks to my wife, which is over there, which is working hard and doing a lot of things that we did. Actually, we sent the shipment today as well this morning, and then we went shopping, which is really it's really important for us to go ahead. But see what I just want to come and see what guys we bought. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that here. All the stuff. I think today we spent around maybe $2,000, around something like that. But really, I think we're gonna double up at least, or at least we're gonna get 70% return on investment. For those who doesn't know what's return on investment, just to make sure we're really clear with our terms, is basically if I spend $100 and I make 30% return on investment, that means I will make $30 extra. So that means I'll get $100 my initial investment, and $30 is going to be my profit. But I really believe that we're gonna get at least 100% return on investment. And at the same time, we're going to minimum to get, worst case scenario, I'm just talking about even after Christmas, whatever, 50 to 75% return on investment, which is really awesome. But I'm hoping all this stuff will be able to sell by Black Friday. Sorry, not Black Friday. I mean, Boxing Day and the first, the end of Christmas, the end of December, and also beginning of January. Because the January still the sales are going to be up. There's still a lot of people having gift cards. They're gonna have a lot of gifts, money that we can. They're just gonna start purchasing stuff, and they start to spend money. So don't forget about that. That's why I'm still sourcing. I'm not stopping, even if they say the December 3rd is the last day of receiving shipment, or guaranteeing that the shipment will be on Amazon. But I managed to still send products. If you label them yourself and you make sure everything is good, you will get the products in very fast. So for us, especially in Canada, guys, I'm not in the US sourcing. I get me like 3 days to 5 days to process everything in, which is really fast comparing to the US, which is take usually two weeks for FC transfer, fulfillment center, changing fulfillment centers and all this stuff. So what we're doing right now, we're prepping all the products that we have. We're gonna prep them today, all this stuff, and then we have the empty boxes here, as you see, which is, I finish everything, and we will get to it, and hopefully we'll finish it by today or tomorrow morning. We'll finish, and the guy can come. We schedule a pickup for tomorrow around, let's say, around maybe 3 p.m., which is going to be good, or early in the morning. It depends how we're going to feel, because really today is not easy work, guys. So do not take this one as, hey, it's very easy, look how much I'm going to be making money. No, I actually today wake up from 9 o'clock in the morning. I just got home. Now it's 8 o'clock. I came around home around 7 o'clock, 6:30, something like that. So, and that's with 2 kids. It's true, my wife's right. With 2 kids, 5 years old and 3 years and 2 years old, they're asking me for everything that they get. Everything that they tax me for, everything they see. We go to toy stores, and imagine with kids, you go to toy stores. They will ask for everything, but still we managed to do it. I'm very proud of my kids. They're very disciplined, and they are just, they understand we're doing this for work. I explain to them what we do, so like this, they have heads up, and they will understand what we do, so they'll be a part of our journey, which is really important. So what we did, they understand. At the end, I always buy them something at the last Walmart, and usually, it's in a very good sale. So I'm still saving there, but it's really cool. It's really cool to do it with family. This is what's nice about this job. You can do things yourself. You'll be able to you know, do the thing with your family. They understand what you're doing, and their support is very important. So if you do it, I really highly encourage you involve your spouse or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, whatever it is. Get them involved. Let them understand what you do, because that's gonna help you. If they know what you do, you have easier time by not explaining yourself, not having this pressure on you all the time. So I'm really glad. So we have those stuff. We want to get to it and we finish. But we have a lot of stuff. Legos. We have Legos, Nerf guns. We have a lot of Legos, actually. A lot of Little People stuff. We have Monopoly. We have Super Wings. We have a lot of things, guys. Pokemon things are really, really great. What's it called them? Polly Pocket. I don't know what is this, but this is my wife's childhood, so we just brought it in. And this thing, which is really good. Give me the Pokemon, please, if you don't mind. The Pokemon there, the whatever things. Actually, we know when we say things, say, hey, always look for clearance only. Do not look for other things. It's not the case, guys. Because, like, for example, this one I paid full price. Full price for this. $19.99. I will double my money. I will make 18 bucks extra. So the retail is like 39 bucks. And I paid 20 bucks. So I will get 18 bucks in, which is really awesome. And always, guys, remember to go to stores, different stores. Even if you hit one Toys R Us, each Toys R Us is going to have different specials. They have different clearance. They have manager clearance. They have store clearance. So you're going to have things that you might not have from one Walmart to another. Today I had 3 Walmarts. 3 Walmarts. And the last Walmart that I had 2 aisles full of brand new stuff, clearance item, $5 stuff, and it was amazing. Especially now, guys, if you know what kind of toys that you're looking for, and you just go ahead for them and start chasing those, really important. Like how I did with the Charizard, whatever this Pokemon card stuff. I don't even know. My wife, every time I said this, she makes fun of me, the name. I don't care. I scan it, makes money. I'm good with it. So that's what matters. And you guys need to know, scan everything. The game is about scanning, and knowing what kind of BSR. All the BSR we got, the bestseller rank, we get around, there's few items 50,000 higher, but most of them are below 20,000, which is really good stuff. And I'm very excited. So I really want to come out there, share with you the stuff, because I really want you to go out there and start sourcing and start doing things that's really, instead of sitting around at home doing nothing, go out there, man. You know what? Go ahead, take a walk, go eat something, and then go to Walmart. Head them. Especially you guys in the US, you have 24 hours stores, Walmart. Us, 10 o'clock, kaput. Not even 10, I think 9 p.m. 9 p.m. is finished. Everything closes, and everyone hibernate. That's winter. That's Canada. But hey, go ahead, do it. And also, I'm going to share with you those stuff that I'm doing, how much we'll be making. I'll show you the receipts, show you everything. I think I spent so far, which is not, you can go with any budget, but I spent so far, I think, $10,000 this time. But I already sold 98 units in 5 days, which is really good, guys. Really good, with good profit, which is really awesome. And I'll share all that with you, hopefully in the Q&A or live Q&A or something. If you guys wanted to know more about it, let me know. I'll do it. I have been doing this for a long time, guys. It's all about experience, about the right guidance, and I guarantee you'll be able to make it. But anyways, I don't want to make it that long. Go out there, make your money. Do not let anybody put you down. Go there, source. If they cannot do it, that doesn't mean you cannot do it. You just go out there and start scanning, get it. So anyways, guys, have yourself a blessed evening. I hope you guys are having an awesome and wonderful Monday so far. And I will see you on Wednesday with a new video that I pre-recorded. That's gonna help you with your Amazon FBA and private label. So anyways, take care, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.